Guaya men banangiten wale banangish kanama mishal ke help and support. Mishi way ka Facebook do be mishal help and support bi jak ajana banangike je adar jilwa ka kwingu ka gore je no deran dero da palpin eno ka ngide ka help and support. Angulo da mo ka Facebook ke doba dan doba dien medar jilwa ka jamo me dong ti kariek ka Facebook do bajangi ke ye en me. Kan kon network ano gore jeno teme bianga kenyam wer ka Facebook do gwada men gore no deri let ka ja michi wer ka Facebook do then the next movement belela lajin kimen bela let begin be ben be we gwada me ka gwada turdu tena turdu jenen yal gwada ma domo kan ngach ajen turdu na mone don kenen gwada ma gore jeno mo ajen gwada ande turdu ten michi chu nene no gore jeno be we be twany michi twine tim gor kono gwasama shete miyish kona ben kam chalele eben support miti ka penye baka nyot gwatame eben support no bilat gwatame ni no yo michi jagana me bishu twine ka do brande twine ka ja 20 ka ja eben support be jinang kana me bi goro bi ngach men gor kona janena Machalele support in box and jandana gor corner. A second year Cape Center ka kan status ka report a problem. Take on ka support in box in case don't take a music michelare don't charge a look at G Facebook. Key don't take a video michelare don't charge a look at G Facebook. And okay don't charge me ka warning bo don't de jagi and it content la Facebook team ka kuji drop down don't dere jekaja ajan gwade ne mena key drop down dere wokaja. Misha kugwa shi ngajano dere ben gwade kama chalele support inbox bichu twany and support inbox men buto gena to kon ke report about others kan mishal ka me your alert men gor kono lungwa me agena mene gor kon na mene your alert me agen gotin content ba message ya jaka keji ji Facebook mu don take red mishalat ke take video mishalare video mijak ben nangan gwada mone and a biologic let me simply say this mu don take a music misha music do kache lare no la Facebook we are looking video mo be jako gwada me and imagine chale your alert on mun bu kon lel gwasa me bikona twine na bikona twine michale your alert ne twine mi take ji mission trying begin video nuko right now dey nan gwada mataka video ne raw te don chigo ka chalok ana video ne take ta chare po ne ka jaron kin daro jan dangaro de check upload ne wal so kan video ne tini cha ka jek Facebook no chicken go ano ka yer kan channel so ko kuje mo cha jugo no jina video ne te kan ka copyright men go ne bumulel bi ka watch ki bi belong adan cha larin wo de la let ki men de lat ko take agreement la kana tan gwada me kaji kan shi kon gwada mo courage bakel ba twain ka kanditi ko bi kono kula ngach ba mun ni ambaje twain gwada mene mutani algwa shi ajugo na one or more action were applied to your video because of copyright match neme a copyright match don jira mu kuje ajem gwada na la jigino shi mistake shi meten mi shi mistake shi meten then bikana jage so for that reason man bilel mi shi dunu la togan video mo chi di du man dan treje mo gorje no ko shi to an ben pingwa se me ka jen video me bi me chelel gwada me see detail gwada me ping ala video do der nen gwa me chelel see detail gwasa me gorje no bi twanya na mene mi shi twany ke do dan dong li lel ka je michi trying gwasa me bejinong na me you know be kwen ko gorje no bu woniam there are change to your video because of copyright match mitika copyright match bi goro no mo bi realika na me jana che jugo no na right all the hen money from your post because it content they hun ramadan take menda video dan shi upload ko shi video shi upload wa be yo be ga ka channel mi channel mi je ga yo be yo be kan we ka ja ka mi she jende channel ba de ga bar ku mo cha mo option e bilen gwado me chala ro ne a link was added to your video to give credit to the right owner wati ke link muchalat ke video gwasama mi kam ramadan tike video kama je dere dia de we kaje alamunyo de no ramadan tike video no kwaje credit ko jen ramadan ci lede long so kuje moni bigo ci ngai ken rewtine ngore kan ko nyam ko go ko no bana rega me bana je tuk ano mishi ngaje no chin mele bu ben pin no men cha je gwa do me ka video shi kamana na chala die copyright and me copyrighted content found in your video akan tin ci kon ngenen gwa semani so kuje mone cha lar men da na lar yeka ki video dan larik so men belen jenene babben pin gwa do me ci mana di konnen michi ben pin dire nen der jinyo men da na michi lado dia jena me dia nen gwa do michi continue no ramadan en tika content michi ale news flare michi na matwa ndere non kon bad mun gore continue matem din gore ko gore jeno bawuj ki mi don dunda cha kul user radio de jag message ko de jogo no na me chi dunda bi continue bi jetwa en video do gwa do be mo caption in most location copyright is a legal right that protect original work of author of authorship and me our copyright me gang la ramadan and jalat la da mi jalat cha be kam credit ko ken la chi ladu so ku jamo be facebook be jogo no ba ramadan te ga dor ba dil kam chonde no copyright owner have certain right under the law, including the right to stop other from copying or distributing their work or creating new work from it. Waramalan take a video, take a chonko jin, chejide allow there a capchonko chiduna she de kwaka chiduna she de use a kenny con la ler, again tada lat kagwatamene. Chakonkuli juguna guatame. Under our team of service and community standard, you can only post content to Facebook that doesn't violate someone else's intellectual property right. Wajimishi video radien no kie man longa kam gaji Facebook gwada man ko kan tikan ke service ne kie tichi kan ya pin no balalet wajim wadi post ni mala dundu mala jin ala your own content mi chak jinjira mamani e chima content radien but your own content again longa dana cha kam Facebook no so chidu radien she they use gen quality intellectual property right mi she video she la tem ke chi de che lat la ne ti la kana ngaje no anga mu kuje post kenyam mi jin ko post kenyam ba chu ngaje no e dundu an le che te radien mi shi Facebook che jo jak no che go jugo no ne me my original work and then ba ji chu gagrar so kuje mo men che lat gwa se memu eriek no mugoro de kapchong bana nyoko lo jogwaza ko gor kone bana continue bana jetwang how to make sure your content doesn't violate copyright law. Jin gwadam dere tension dere latin lung cause mugwa akaji by the way cause dong mi jira mala content la ka create gor jeno bi ngajeno chuangan di ente kajimo okay wa cha je gwadam no cha je moch ke warga mu kwen ko be nyodo no tike chuang ke chite ke chuang ka cha je no cha je mo ko dor mu chimo chi de tol ka je lat ke je cha je go one it is possible to infringe someone else's copyright when you post their content on Facebook, even if you bought or download the content. Jet kamedong man chalar gwas me wajimbo de copyright issue de ni jek mudong chi di radin chi kan ke chi ko ka bibin use jet ko dong chi di chi kamrar ka tun ka jini chi ko ngore wana mo shit che dia dundu okay recorded content onto your own recording device, example background music at a party, concert, even wedding. Tidiality wa chaka de gorba sometime because chiginko. I give credit to the copyright owner. Mishi ka gorda to punni chuangra mama kemi je ko chadu ni shabe gek. Mijira mama don goro de can use. Include a disclaimer that you didn't intend to infringe copyright. Gwale aje wono mishi ngaje no shi yudura mo ko je kam chwonde. Ko je mo ke credit no na me shi dunda dunura adien so ba ngaje Facebook na mone. Didn't intend to profit from it because you're going to share let go take and budget and especially charge play in terms of pardon they record but mechanic Ramadan take a deal more mechanic late and then by you much commercial copyright violation so could you much all these things go to being like believe this content is considered fair use which I allow to use okay take a chunk use but we can allow do not do that by Facebook do by gap. Gwasi me work on ka Michelle continue. right now chajuku come gwada dana dong dere rule me dere je kula let ge now we are trying ko me dundu jira mo shi gor dere de let ke shi gor no dong dere ke dira mi dere jogo no na me dunda shi dundu wa dere dispute ke te dere lat gwasme gor je no be na me bi kwen Jakon je gwasme jin Ramadan gunyame. These are the available action you can take regarding the change to your video. Jaji kam duk dang duk ti ke jin kwi video kono mo en wo mudong dundu duno che terare de michela no dunde jaji mi option gwasme manyam awa misi dundu just accept change. Be accept no na me shi dunde berama mi men take a video che jibila gagrar be all the revenue and me temi jigitin be we kaja wa mi shi accept be Facebook be ja allow ko use ja. You acknowledge this change and any action taken by the right owner. Okay, owner will remain applied to your video. Mishi no go it na me shi dunde but you want to use it to talk awa be na me bilele be tick and mi no go no change ala de no me shi dunu shi nok bi tiga na mo da ken ni tikos mi shi tike tok the rest bi ga chupal but no di ajini na me dunda chale submit dispute mi jini dundu do tembe gor gwadme you believe you own the right to the content or have permission to use it and want to provide additional details wa mi jira mon te dan content ka cha jigo no na me shi dunu ke your own then wa be dispute bi just submit ala war ga mi do na me dunda ben yo do dan de let ka je yo me dundu ben yo de men the last gwasme wa jin mishi dundu en video mane ala shi dundu ka shi goro no bi shi nya dan chala no de la drive video ko mo gwanda wa dere de let ki dere watch re Facebook do so gente gwa remove video bi chu to anya na me so let me show you guys how to do that. Okay, manyam accept change mishi accept gwa me shi continue be ji gwa me accept Chinen. Here's what has happened so far. Action was taken on your video because it may contain someone else's content. Action chenamacha kan ka video ko du ko tira da dien te video tere je mo re video ko na mo kiti dit ke tere je mo so mi accept ngwa mo ba all tin kone agora ba cho apply lo mean that bram mi be men je ka jen video che la re be cho dunde no can be used pan but to the albu we ka jana mo kel na me SME dispute mi she lugo lugo jini dundu wa big na me be twan mi she twan be continue be select be new information. By choosing this option, you acknowledge that you own the right to this content or have permission to use it. Wa mi submit na me ni was jeno jin dundu so ko kuja mo Ramadan melaro na me ye dunde be jogo no na me she dundu especially me diru ko te ramla tene la ja tem no mono big diru ke video kala ro dundien so be form be submit chana form chan jamino fenbe as an example biname be nan gwasemene especially ne recon don't take a date. I want you to understand this. Me don't take a date me chala user ne okay. Fill out the form below to dispute the action taken on your video. Before me be fill me near the year. If you believe that that is your original work, you have to submit it. But if you are not, choose the submit, please. Koshi dundu, leave it. Okay? Come here, dundu where it. Guadame, be reason and the new general dundu be submit. No original content, but may be tick. Namani. Let me show you. But may be tick me your original work. Okay, all content in this video is your original work. Be twine. Come here, me take a license content mo cha license, but me be twine. But me public domain be twine. Me other be twine. So in case me do okay, but me should do please leave it. Do not submit this form. Okay, choose submit. Ko shi dundu. Men believe janan alu ni jin jok. Ko after that you can fill up many drop down and do be message be jaka you can send a message and on a mail do especially ko take a date me di den ka chala to do radin be submit go just be gorno na me my original work attack all the material thing you do dunda me take a did be show gor no more dating after that you try no I understand me she never la talk I understand that by submitting this dispute I give that I own a permission to view my video and public information that may allow them to identify my account. But again, me she twanya na me kacha oji no do she dundu. You know what will happen? then the other code yaramo. So make sure the right owner of that content do not fill this form. Channel jok kaman nya magor kona. Magor kona gwaseme, we do not want accept change or submit this with Koshi Dundan, we remove the video. We remove the video, you continue. Right now, delete video. The video will be removed from Facebook, including anywhere it was shared. I'm shared, then we should remove already. So what we're gonna do, we remove that. Delete video. Delete jana. Delete or we already kadundu. We click and delete Koshi Gor. Okay? And then delete video. Let's wait. Because I'm not down the right now we choose to not be removed. Okay, your video was removed. Your video was removed. The issue is resolved and no further action is needed. Right now, Chikori dan take a page down. Channel Jalunka Mui Kone, which you corner submit already know. Chine good Nameshi Dunda, so she remove already. This way, they don't do, they problem, they fix Kakwida. So, the corner close, but corner yoga come and down and go corner Guatemala. Right now, Chikori men kakel. Be the same thing, be your ledger. Be Lanok, be twine. And no, be detail, Chiman Chikona Lad Guasama. Already, the Rayone released their claim on your video, shall I don't know. So, we see details. Already, char move already in a many. Chicken allow no char, so there's no need to know becon the wood. So, again, tar down the order. And we go to wood simple. I can click that and then Guadame. What I'm going to do, Guadamene, and then I can simply remove it if I do not want that. Okay, me a video mission go. So right now we are done. Come down and let corner guasamene. Okay, chikona ngai dob dande kon reg dande kon self kaje de kon gor kon de kon kariale kaje. So that is it. Again, guadan ban chungtin bananyo jik no kini dodien ka dob dande ri Facebook dir use kaje gwa telecom prime dir lel no so ni banajik kini dodien ya tikamal.